Assume a comfortable position. Shut your eyes as you start to relax. Take in a deep breath. Now breathe out. Empty your lungs entirely. And once again. Take full, deep breaths, never strained or rushed. Breathe in strength. Breathe out tension. Carry on to relax.